together with a thump thump sound. Red elephant said, look at me, I can dance near a coconut tree. Blue elephant splashed in a puddle so wide, slippity slosh, what a funny ride. Yellow elephant laughed, ha ha ha, tickled by a butterfly sing la la la. Green elephant jumped with a hop hop hop, up and down and never said stop. Purple elephant spun round slow, got so dizzy, fell down low. Stomp your feet, 1, 2, 3. Elephants dancing happily. Wave your trunk and flap your ears. Giggle, giggle, no more fears. Red went clap, blue went swing. Yellow tried to juggle a ring. Green went bounce like a rubber ball. Purple said, I am the tallest of all. Round and round they danced all day, singing songs in a silly way. Jump, 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 then freeze right there. 5 color elephants everywhere. March them home, say bye-bye please. 5 happy elephants do as they please.
Please like and subscribe the channel.